Hi, I'm Denise. We're going to be conducting an experiment from the National Geographic Mega Science Series Amazing Reactions Chemistry set. You can conduct 15 incredible chemistry experiments, and a bonus guide with 30 additional experiments is also included. So, the experiment that we are conducting today is the Turbid-Charged. And so, the word turbid is from the Latin turba, meaning a crowd or a disturbance. A solution is turbid when it contains a large number of individual particles that would normally be invisible to the naked eye. The solid particles are suspended in the solution, making it hazy or muddy. And for our experiment, we need our 2 test tubes, sodium carbonate, calcium chloride, citric acid. Need our medium scoop here and our big scoop here. Our beaker, our tall cup, and we have some water in this cup. And we have our goggles. So what we're going to do first is add 1 medium scoop of sodium carbonate and stir until the powder is completely dissolved. Our second step is to measure 30 milliliters of water in the beaker and add it to the first test tube. Add 2 medium scoops of calcium chloride and stir until the powder is completely dissolved. Our third step is to pour the clear solution from the test tube into the clear solution in the tall cup. The result will be a milky white solution. Our fourth step is to measure 50 milliliters of water in the beaker and add it to the second test tube. Add 1 big scoop of citric acid and stir until the crystals are completely dissolved. And our last step is to pour the clear citric acid solution into the milky solution in the tall cup and watch the water gradually become clear once more. So we're going to start with our first step here. Going to measure our water. 30. This is about 30 milliliters right here. And we're going to add it to the tall cup. There's still something in here. Okay. And what we're going to do is add 1 medium scoop of sodium carbonate and stir until the powder is completely dissolved. And then our next step is to measure 30 milliliters of water in the beaker and add it to the first test tube. And then we're going to add 2 medium scoops of calcium chloride and stir until the powder is completely dissolved. We have our calcium chloride here, 2 medium scoops. About dissolved. And what we're going to do is pour the clear solution from the test tube into the clear solution in the tall cup. And then the result should be a milky white solution. This is what my result looks like. And so what we're going to do now is measure 50 milliliters of water in the beaker and add it to the second test tube. Then add 1 big scoop of citric acid and stir until the crystals are completely dissolved. We have our citric acid. I'm going to open this up. add 1 big scoop of citric acid. Now that all of my crystals are dissolved, I'm going to pour this into the solution and watch it become clear.
Put it down, let's see.
Looks like soda.
Note what you can hear. Okay.
It's fizzing. And the mixture becomes carbonated like soda. I probably can't see that, but it is clear. And why did this happen? Mixing the sodium carbonate solution and calcium chloride solution together causes a chemical reaction that creates a precipitate of tiny granules of calcium carbonate. This is the same compound that makes up eggshells and pearls. These white granules do not dissolve in water, so the mixture becomes turbid. Adding the acidic solution dissolves those tiny granules, so the solution becomes clear again. And that is the end of our turbid-charged experiment. I will see you guys soon for another experiment. Bye.